Hi, this is Matt. We're going to show you how to create a PowerPoint presentation in the Skydrive app. So, when you start the PowerPoint presentation app on Skydrive, when you create it, you have lots of options of themes you'd like to pick. And for example, I'm going to pick my favorite theme. There's lots of different themes. So my favorite theme is one. There's different colors that you can use. You go down here, it'll kind of make a variation of it. You can kind of look at those darker, whatever. So once you have that, you can hit apply, and that will apply that theme to your presentation. Okay, so now that you see that my theme is added on here, so what I can do is I can click on here, and I can type, for example, how to use PowerPoint. How to use PowerPoint. So you can put your name in the subtitle or some sponsors or whatever you'd like to do. Please click off. If I want to make it a different color, because I think that black font is boring, select the box. Just click on the text, select the box. And then what it will do is it'll select the box. Okay, now it's working. And you can just select text that you want to, like there, and you can go up here to a font color, and you can change it to red. And just click on it, and it'll be that color. Let's say I'm going to make PowerPoint bold so people know what it is. You can make it bold, you can make it italics, underline it, change the font size right up here, like 54, you can just change that. Garmin, that's just the font type, you can change that to by clicking down there. And changing it to that, let's say the Arial. There you go, that's pretty fancy. If you want to add a slide, you can just go up here to the new slide button. And you click that, it will. Then this little screen will come up, and the screen has title and content, section header, just different types of slide. Let's just say I want, let's say I want title with and caption, for example. So I just click add slide, and then it will add it down here, and you can just use it like a insert whatever. Up here you have your insert. When you click on insert, you got shapes. You can put shapes in there. Smart art. I'm not going to go too in depth with that, but that's basically just different features that you can do. Different charts, tables, comparisons to two or one thing. You compare stuff to each other, as you see here. I don't want that. It's fun if you're doing like a business kind of a thing, or if you're saying, this year we're going to try to achieve this. This year we're going to try to achieve this. This year we're going to try to achieve this. That's lots of different charts and graphs. So now, next thing I'm going to show you is clip art. Clip art's a free source that comes with your products online, and if you have PowerPoint and Microsoft products. If you go ahead, you gotta click insert, and then clip art. Clip art's a lot of different pictures. I want to search a dog, for example. Search the dog, and dogs will come. So I want that one. Click on it, and just tell it who provides it, and then you can insert. There's no you don't have the site sources on this because it's a clip art from Microsoft. There's no site sourcing. It's very simple, and it's tons of free images that you can use to enchant your presentations. So it's going to put the picture in there. then there you see our dog popped up there. And then you can always move it around or do whatever you want to like that with the dog. No, there's two dogs. Being as well. I did insert two dogs. You can always just delete them by clicking on it and pressing delete on your keyboard or right click. I mean left click. Yeah, right click. So next we're going to show you some fun things with downloading into PowerPoint. This is a free version online, obviously, so some features are taken away. If you go and click up here and click Open in PowerPoint, I'm not going to do that right now, it's going to take a little bit. But when you click that, it will open up in PowerPoint presentation. It's on your computer. If you don't have it there, if you don't have the program, then it will not work. And also, I've noticed it does not work a lot in Google Chrome. So if you're using Google Chrome and you're going to try to download it, 99% sure it's not going to work for you unless my computers are weird. So it's usually not going to work. Next we're going to show you with animations and transitions. Animations is if you animate something, so say I want to make a click on dog. And when I click on the dog, there's lots of different things you can make them fly in, appear, fly in, and you can change options about it. So when you're presenting, it adds some proof to your presentation that people don't usually have, and it's a great feature and people love it, and it's very, very popular. And most people don't know how to do it actually. So now it will have a little one there, and that means that's the first thing that shows up, and then if I click on something else, I can make it that fade in, and that's the second thing, and you can record them and do all different stuff with them. If you have regular PowerPoint, you can like make it flip around and all that stuff. So that's pretty cool. Transitions is a pretty good thing too. You can make it transition to the next slide better than just going next slide. It's kind of boring. So if we make it push, for example, it will push the slide up and then transition to the next slide, which is really a cool extra feature to have in your presentation. Another thing that just helps is the design tab up here. You go up to design. That is what shows you if you want to change your background. So let's say I don't like this dark brown anymore and I want something a little different. You can change your total background look, or you can just change your color of that version. So if I click on a different one, that will change it to that. As you see, it changed to this layer one, but I want the darker one, so I go click on that one again, and it's always changeable. You can always change it back and stuff, so it's always easy to do that. And then as you see, lickety split, it changed the background. So we're going to go to the view tab up here, and the view tab is just going to give you some other views. You can do an editing view, a reading view, just to read through the slides. You're doing some kind of like essay on it, which is possible. Presentation essay, whatever, slideshow, notes, and show comments. I'm not going to go on any of these, but if you click on slideshow, it's going to bring this into a bigger tab, and you're not going to see all of it because I kind of cut this there. Now you can see all of it. Okay, so maybe. So now what's happening here is it's loading. This is how you would present it to the people that are watching your presentation. So let's say I'm ready to present it, or you just want to watch it. You can see how it looks. I do that a lot. I edit it and then look how it looks to make sure that I'm going to be happy with what I'm showing the people. What it is. So how to use PowerPoint. Now let's say I don't like that. You can always just exit out with this with the X there, obviously, and you can go back and edit it on there. But I'm going to show you how it looks right here. So just click to go to the next slide. Or you can use the arrow keys, of course. Or there you go. And let's see. So you see how when you saw how when I went to the next slide here, it showed up as nothing being there, like this right here. Well, everything's there. Remember, you put it in an animation. So when you click, it will fly in, as I was saying. And it's being slow right now, but it would be more flowing or efficient or whatever you want to call it. So then the next one will fade in like that, and then you just click again, and it closes it because that was your last slide. So that's how you're going to do this PowerPoint presentation. I hope you enjoy it, and I hope you just continue on with the rest of the slideshow. I hope it was helpful, and have a great rest of your day. Bye.